Hello folks, welcome to Multistack. Today's topic is not null constraints. In this video, we will try to understand what is not null constraint in SQL Server. Not null refers to a constraint that ensures a column in a table cannot contain null values. Means in a table we have applied on a column as a not null, it ensures that we cannot pass null value in that particular columns. So we will take example. I will create a table with the name of employee having columns ID, name, email, age. So first we will take only name as a not null constraints and we'll try to fill some values inside the database table, and then again I will apply email as a not null column, then using the alter table commands, and I will add the not null constraints. We'll check how it will works. So by using this chart, we will try to understand. First, we have a table ID name having data ID name, email, age, ID 1, name 1, email 1, age 1. We will start to insert the data and it will check whether incoming data of name it has some value or not. If it has some value, then it will allow to insert like third one value we are going to insert ID name 1 email age. Then it will allow to us that we can insert. If it doesn't has value, then fail to insertion, and we will get result only ID name, only previous value, not new values. So let's flip the SQL Server Studio and try to understand by running some scripts. Let's connect the database. Database has been connected. Create a data. Create database employee DB. Execute this one. Database has been created. Okay, so let's create a table. Name of employee. Create table employee. I will create some columns id int. I will make it primary key. I will take it identity, that no need to insert again the value of id name. Name where char 255, email where char 100, and I will take one more column age integer type, and I will make name as a not null. I will specify explicitly it as not null. When I will not mention anything after the column, then by default it would be null type. So primary key is by default not null. So here email and age is null type. Okay, so we'll try to insert some value inside the employee table. I will pass the value of name and email, age, and values would be name. I will take John. I will write email john@gmail.com, and I will take age 19. Insert. Data has been inserted. We'll check select asterisk from employee. Employee I have been copied first. So there's the value. I will again try to insert some value inside the employee table. I will write here Stacy@gmail.com, and age I will write 29. This time I will not insert any value inside the email. Then check what will happen. So email is not null type, and no need to insert this one because it will not restrict to us to fill the value. The record has been inserted. Let's see what will happen against the email. Email is null. Then again we will insert some value inside the table. uh, this time I will not take the name. I will take here email. Email would be stacy1@gmail.com. Let's try to insert by using this insert command. So now I got the error. Column does not allow nulls. Means name has been mentioned not null. So it against that column we cannot insert the null value. So we have to have passed the value. So try to again insert the same value. If I will take here name and I will write here email, and I will write here name Stacy1 and we'll insert this one. So allow to insert the data. So data has been inserted. So name is already not null type. Okay, so now we will try to add email as a not null. So what will happen if we'll try to add email as a not null? So command is alter table, table name employee, and alter column email. I will write email where char 100. I will make it not null. Execute this one. I got the error that cannot insert the null value into column email table. Column does not allow nulls. So it has already null values. Let's see. So here it has already not null values. So select count asterisk from employee to check that how many places it has. I have less records, so we can check here. So might be someone has more records, so it would be difficult to find or to check in a one slot or one to check in one glimpse. So where I will write where email is null. So by executing this one, we can check that how many places it has null. So select asterisk only one place. We can again I will add employee as null. Name I will write Smith, and age I will write 20, and try to insert this one. Record has been inserted. We'll check that how many places it has null values. Select asterisk from, so two places. Now I will check here. So first we have to update this record. If I will make to try add the email as a not null. So update. So update table name. I will write a table employee and set email as some values like your email @gmail.com, where email is null. Set update implies set email. I am writing email as your email @gmail.com at those places where email is null. Let's execute this one. Okay, two record has been affected. So let's see inside the table by running the select historic from employee. So both records has been updated with your email @gmail.com. Now we will try to add email as a not null constraint. So it has been completed successfully, this script, and we'll try to insert again like here Jonathan, and I will write age 40. Here email is mandatory, so we'll try to add without email. So let's see what will happen. So I got the error, column does not allow nulls. And which column? Email column. Select star from employee, nothing happened inside it. If I will add the value email column, I will write email I will write here Jonathan @gmail.com, and try to execute this one. So able to insert. Let's check. Select asterisk from employee. So yes, it has been inserted. So Jonathan name and email both are mandatory column. Not null has been applied. That is from the not null constraints. Please do like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.